Okay, so I'm taking these light LED, as you can see here, this recessed light, 15 watt, 3 option, 3000, 4000, 5000 Kelvin, and it's actually 280 milliamps, okay? And I'm connecting it to this connector here, okay? So there is an arrow here, it's very easy, and I'm just push it, it's already turned on, okay? And I just lock it with this. Okay, what you can see the light here, correct? These lights have 3 modes of operation. Let's see. The first mode is the 3000 Kelvin. This is the yellow light, or the soft light. The second mode is the 4000 Kelvin. This is the medium light. The third mode is the 5000 Kelvin. This is the bright light. Choose the medium, which is 4000 Kelvin, and this one I'm going to use for this room. I can also go for it for that one, but it's a little bit too weak for me, okay? But anyway, you can change it anytime you want. So that is the light I'm going to go for. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually insert it to the hole in the ceiling. Okay, so here is the box, okay? I just push it in and I push the cable in, okay? Everything is pushing into this hole. And now I'm using these 2 latch here. They're very strong latch, by the way. Let's remember it. And push it in one here and other one here. And so easy, actually, it's already in. And remember, there is a rubber here that actually seal it to the ceiling. Okay, let me open the light and see what's happening here. That's it. So I already installed here 9 light actually. There is 4 here and there is 3 here and there is another 2 behind this curve there. Okay, and the only light left is here. So I want to show you how I install this light very easily. Okay, let me turn on the light to show you what's going on. I turn on the light here and you can see all of it. It's on. See, the light is on here, so we need to have electricity or voltage here, which means we have to have power here. So in order to check it, I'm using my magic tester here, and if you're getting close to it, you can see what happened. It shows you there is power here, which is 110 volt. So we are safe now. We're going to shut down the light and connect the LED to this connection and then put it here in the hole. Okay, I turn off the light and here is the LED. This is a recessed light that I'm going to put here. Very easy. Okay, there is here also a lock, piece of plastic here. Just putting it here, and there is an arrow where to put it. Okay, and I'm just push it in. Okay, push it in. Okay, and then I close it. And you know what? I want to show you from close distance what's going on. So here you can see what's happening. There is a lock here. Okay, I can open it, move it, and if you look carefully, very difficult to see. You can see here an arrow which match this arrow, and that's you push it in and then you lock it with this cover. Okay, so that's what's going on. You see this, the box, connection box here. There is a switch here. You see that give you the right light you want, which means it's going with Kelvin temperature. So here what I'm doing, I'm actually put it in the right light, which is 4000 Kelvin here. So that's very important. Remember, all the light here that you can see here in this wall, this light and this and that light and this light, all of them are actually 4000 Kelvin. So you can see the light here, okay, it's actually hanging here. This is the other light here. I just want to turn on the light to see what's going on, because it's very important before you actually push the light to the box. You can see immediately you get it 4000 Kelvin, because this is the right color of the light here. So this hole that I drill here, the diameter of it is exactly 6 inch and 3/8, okay? And it's exactly suit to this area here, okay? Exactly. It's very accurate. And remember, this LED is also coming with a rubber here, as you can see, this rubber. So this rubber actually we see it to the ceiling. Okay, now it's very easy for me just to put it in. You see, I put this box inside. Okay, put it like that, and then you see there are two, I would call it latch here, and one latch I put here, and the other latch I'm actually putting here. Okay, and it must go in. There is no other way. Now you can correct it a little bit, and that's it. It's in. Let me show you from close distance. Here, the light, the LED plate, okay, or panel should be attached to the ceiling exactly. No space here. Mustn't, you can see any space. And he really attached, which means he sealed himself with some rubber that you saw before. So that's the way it should go.